way. Free my cousin for slumming his life on the way. I've been dripping since Pampers, that shit won't expire. Until the Lord give me a date. By the big stitch boss, yes, straight. I don't even understand why these fuck niggas they hate on me. Me and MC Ryan Bill 60 on 270.
I'm back to put me on that damn camera. Hey man, hit me good. Tell him what you just got now. I got the Hemi charger. Hey, stop playing with him, bro.
You got to stay Hemi. What's up, y'all?
Hey, what's the word, gang? Say what's up.
This motherfucker, man.
Yeah, sir, ski. Oh, fuck him.
Hey, what's up? Big Hawk finally clean. It's clean.
Boy, Strick, you can see the reflection in this mine. Trackhawk with the demon hood. And it ain't stopped. 800 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Yes, Nissan. Sheesh. All the way to the ground on bags. It's crazy. Hey, Ben, if we don't see the McLaren, what I get to do, bro?
We finna launch this bitch.
No, hold on. I'm finna launch this.
We'll see. We'll see.
Come on, man. Let me launch that Trackhawk, man.
He's in launch.
Hey, don't I look good in the Trackhawk? If y'all like, comment and subscribe, I can get me one, you know? We got Otron. This not a regular 5.0, man. It's that performance pack, man. Y'all better not play with them, bro. This mug, bro. I can't even switch. Got the Beamers, man. Scions and shit, man. Yes, sir. Ooh, this bitch, hold up. That color nasty. Mustang. Sheesh. My bad, bro. Mustang. Hey, let us hear a little bit, man. Shit. Shit. Big GTR, man. Big GTR, man. Sheesh. Look at the tires on this. Damn. Not bad. Hold on. Can I get one more? Hey, hold up. Let me get a good walk around of this joint. Super crazy. Woo, white seats. Check me out. Nice. That bit perfect. Hit the like button if you deserve one of these. Sheesh. Jeez, this mug nice.
Something available in North America that's a cheaper option, but not a whole lot. A lot
This your car?
Yeah.
Nice car.
Thanks.
Hey, steering wheel no. Different stuff. Hold up. Yeah. Oh. Yes, sir, skate. Hold up. You still right? My 18-year-old partner, man, just pulled up. He just cashed out on it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, sir. You can't see nobody in that windshield, man. Hold on, let's get the lights. Hold on. Mopar, no car, man. I agree with it. Come on, man.
I'm at the mob. What was you thinking?
Hey, let them know who behind the camera, man. Hey, put me on there.
Thinking.
Hey, put me on there, man. Big 392, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't, you a hoe ass nigga. If you made it all the way this far to my vlog, man, like, what are you here for if you're not?
Drip.
Hey, no, this ain't no drip, man. I'm dirty as hell, bro.
Young
hey,
drip, stinking mode.
I got a new video coming up soon after this one, explaining what happened to my car, so I need y'all to tune in.
Mode. Get out the way. Get back. Get smack mode.
Get smacked. Oh shit, man.
I'm gonna just put it on my left, bro.
Hey, man, we full capacity, man. Look, man.
Got this bitch loaded down.
Yes, Sirski. This Mr. 757 Track Hawk, man. Yeah, hold on, let me seatbelt first, man. Safety first, man.
This nigga Ben be trying to launch this bitch.
Yeah, I don't. Hey, Ben, man, he a crazy dude, man.
Hey, make sure don't nobody take.
Hey, if something happened to me, man, I love y'all, man. Y'all see y'all, man. Nah, we just going to check real quick. Coming back.
I can't find my seatbelt.
Yes, sir.
This bitch too fast and I have a belt.
Hey, what you say, man?
This bitch too fast and I have a belt.
I agree.
I'm scared of this motherfucker. Last time I rode,
$7,000 for a dig race, anybody?
on me. His ass was walking everything out here.
Yes, sir.
This motherfucker crying.
Yeah. Hold on, give me a launch down this motherfucker, man. You get him on. Oh, man! No cap!
Motherfucker crying.
Hey, this motherfucker crawl, man. Hey, we finna get some Chick-fil-A, man. Need everybody to stay tuned, cause Ben is a crate. Hold up, he down shit.
Hellcat, I want a track
A
home.
no kizzy, man. Everybody got a Hellcat, but they ain't got no Hawk. Watch them numbers climb. Oh, them numbers climbing, baby. Hey, man. Hey, this the lifestyle, Big 392, man. We get to ride in whatever we want, man. Presidential style, man. Stop playing with us, man. I need everybody like coming in and subscribe, man.
Fucking 2013 Elantra, baby.
I bet you that bitch can drive. Hit that motherfucker. Hit that motherfucker. Yes, sir. Hit that motherfucker. Come on, give me a look. Yes, sir. What's up, man? Hey, what you say, bro, yo?
Motherfucker too fast
Too
now.
fucking fast, dog. Hold on, we finna. Hey, Track Hawk geeked up too fucking fast. I mean, that concludes the vlog, y'all, man. Everybody leaving because of lightning, so make sure if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I got more content, so hit that bell, man. Hey, peace out, y'all.